Welcome to the ultimate guide to creating engaging social media content. You're in the right place if you're looking to level up your social media game and grab the attention of your followers. We're going to share with you 10 of the best tips and tricks for creating content that your audience won't be able to resist. Are you ready to become a social media superstar? Let's get started. Tip number 1, know your audience. The first step in creating engaging social media content is knowing your audience. Understanding their interests, demographics, and what motivates them to engage with content can help you understand and create content that resonates with them. For example, if your target audience is millennials, you could create content that uses popular memes, trends, and hashtags to engage them. Tip number 2, use attention-grabbing headlines and captions. The headlines or captions are the first thing that your audience sees, so it's essential to make it attention-grabbing. Use words and phrases that evoke emotions and curiosity in your audience, making them want to click and engage with your content. For example, 10 secrets to a successful life is more captivating than tips for success. Tip number 3, leverage user-generated content. User-generated content is an excellent way to create engaging social media content. When your audience shares their experiences with your product or service, it creates a sense of community and encourages others to engage with your content. For instance, you could create a social media campaign where you ask your audience to share photos of themselves using your product. Tip number 4, use high-quality visuals. Using high-quality visuals such as photos, videos, and infographics can make your content more engaging. High-quality visuals capture your audience's attention and makes your content stand out. For example, using vibrant and high-resolution images can help your social media posts pop and grab attention. Tip number 5, make your content shareable. Creating shareable content is a great way to increase engagement on social media. When your audience shares your content with their friends and family, it increases your reach and can drive more traffic to your social media pages. For instance, you could create infographics or video tutorials that are informative and easy to share. Tip number 6, utilizing trending hashtags. Using trending hashtags can help your content reach a broader audience and increase engagement. Trending hashtags are popular phrases or keywords that people are searching for on social media. Let's say you're a food blogger trying to create engaging content on social media. You can use popular food-related hashtags like #foodporn or #foodie to attract more food enthusiasts to your page. Tip number 7, be authentic and transparent. Authenticity and transparency are essential in creating engaging social media content. Your audience wants to connect with real people who share their experiences and values. For example, if you're a travel blogger, sharing your travel mistakes or adventures can help your audience relate to you on a personal level and feel more connected on your content. This can lead to increased engagement and loyalty from your audience. Tip number 8, engage with your audience. Engaging with your audience is crucial in creating a sense of community on social media. Responding to comments, messages, and mentions can help you build relationships with your followers and show them that you value their engagement. For example, you could run a Q&A session on your Instagram story or create polls to encourage your audience to engage with your content. Tip number 9, experiment with different formats. Experimenting with different formats such as live videos, stories, and reels can help you create engaging social media content. Each format has unique features that can help you showcase your content in different ways. For instance, live videos can be used to create an interactive experience with your audience, allowing them to ask questions and receive real-time answers. Stories can be used to showcase behind-the-scenes content, teasers, or quick updates, while reels can be used to create short, entertaining videos with music and creative effects. For example, if you're a fashion brand, you can experiment with different formats by creating a live video showcasing your latest collection and answering questions from your audience. You can also use stories to provide a sneak peek of the behind-the-scenes work that goes into creating your designs. And finally, you can use reels to create short videos showcasing different ways to style your clothes or accessories. Tip number 10, analyze your results and adjust your strategy. Last but not least, analyzing your social media metrics is crucial to creating engaging content. By analyzing your data, you can gain insights into what type of content resonates with your audience and adjust your strategy accordingly. For example, if you notice that your audience engages more with your posts when you use certain keywords or types of visuals, you can adjust your content strategy. To incorporate more of those elements, you can also test different posting times and frequency to see what works best for your audience. Congratulations! You've just unlocked the secret to creating amazing social media content that will have your followers begging for more. Remember, creating engaging content is an art that takes time and effort, but with these 10 tips and tricks, you'll be a social media superstar in no time. So go out there and make an impact. And while you're at it, why not share some of your own tips and tricks with the community in the comment section down below? Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss our exciting content. Thank you for watching and happy creating!